Hi, I'm Taylor. I told you guys that I was gonna make a video, but I don't have a really great webcam, so the quality is kind of horrible. But we'll just start anyway. I grabbed the first little section of my bangs. See, like the little section right here. I grabbed this and just separated it into 3 sections, and then braided it once. And okay, let me start over. Okay, you get 3 or whatever. Braid it once this way. See how I braided it once? And I twisted it once. Twisted it again. And then you can twist it one more time, and it helps hold it better. So then I'm gonna let the last piece that I twisted, it's just gonna fall. Now I have these 2 pieces. You see where that one's coming from? It's like coming from the 3rd twist. So it goes down. That one just chills. That's the first part of the braid. You have these 2. Then you're gonna go back from right here, and you're gonna bring up a piece and twist it like a braid. You're just gonna braid it like that, and then braid it this way, obviously, and then let the 3rd piece fall. And it's underneath the 2, so it's pretty easy to know which one it is. And then you're gonna twist it back, and you're gonna let this one fall, and you're gonna grab another piece from behind, and you're gonna pull it forward, and twist it just like a braid. You see how this is working so far? And I'm doing it a lot tighter than I did for the first time I did it, because I was honestly just looking for a way to pull my hair up really fast out of my face. So I'm just going to continue grabbing. It's just like a braid, only you're going to leave the 3rd piece down every time. And I wish I could explain it better, but it's really complicated to explain. So every time I do a new twist, I leave a piece down. And do you see how it's like, it's starting to do little, I don't know how to explain. Okay, so then I just twisted those 2, so now I have these 2 pieces. And then I'm going to grab the middle piece again. Twist it around your top piece. And then twist it back around. And then leave this piece down, obviously. Pull another piece up forward. Twist it around. Put the 3rd piece down. And by the way, this is the 2nd time I've done this braid, so kind of really cute. So I pulled up a middle piece from behind again, and twisting it again, leaving the 3rd piece alone, see how it's working now. So that's how you do the waterfall braid. Hope that helps. If it didn't, I'm sorry. There's videos on YouTube I looked at just in case I wasn't able to handle doing it on camera. So, okay. Well,